Welcome to another new Photoshop tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to repeat object step by step with free transform in Photoshop. So at the beginning, go to the menu bar, click on View, click on Rulers, select the sun face layer. Select Ctrl+T from the keyboard. Now take the guide from the ruler bar and place it in the middle of our sun face object. Then select the upper layer. Press the Ctrl+T from the keyboard. Go to the toolbar above. Click on the toggle reference point. Now hold this pointer and place it in the middle of the sun face object below. Then rotate this object slightly to the right. Press the Enter key. Press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+T from the keyboard. Now see that the object is repeating step by step. So, thanks a lot for watching the video.